Stop right there. If you think LG Smart TV cannot install third-party apps, you are wrong. In this video, I will show you real, workable methods to install third-party apps on LG Smart TV step by step. No fake tricks, no risky shortcuts. First, you must understand one important thing. LG Smart TV runs on Web operating system, also called WebOS. It does not support normal Android APK files, so direct APK install is impossible. Now let us start with the official and safest method. Method 1. Using LG Developer Mode. This method is widely used by technicians and advanced users. First, turn on your LG Smart TV. Make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi or wired internet. Go to Settings, then go to General, then go to System, then go to About this TV. Check your WebOS version. Now go to LG Content Store. Search for Developer Mode app. Install and open it. Next step, you need an LG developer account. You can create it using any phone or computer. After login, enable developer mode, restart the TV. Now enable key server and developer mode status inside the app. This allows side-loading WebOS compatible apps like IPK files. This method is used for apps like Homebrew channel, custom media players, and utilities. Method 2. Using Homebrew channel. This works only after developer mode is active. Homebrew channel allows installing community-supported apps. No hacking, no root. Method 3. Using screen share or cast workaround. If an app cannot be installed directly, you can mirror it. Use Android phone or Windows PC. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. For better stability, use 2.4 GHz instead of 5 GHz. Method 4. Using USB media apps. Some third-party media players can be loaded via USB. Only WebOS-supported formats will work. Important warnings. Never try Android APK files on LG TV. Never enter random service menu codes. Never install unknown firmware files. This guide is tested, verified, and technician approved. If this video helps you, subscribe to Tech Vibes. I will see you in the next fix.